Question is, a ball thrown up vertically returns to the thrower after 6 seconds. Here ball is throwing vertically and returns. Total time it took, that is 6 seconds. The velocity with which it was thrown up. So velocity that we need to find, right? U means initial velocity, because by that velocity we are throwing, that we need to find, right? We know that at maximum height v will be 0, so v is 0 here. Now yes, see, total time it takes 6 seconds, so to reach the maximum height it will take 3 seconds, right? So see, we have to find u, so we can put here first equation of motion, which is v is equal to u, and we are throwing in upward direction, right? Upward direction means opposite to gravitational acceleration, so I have to write negative g into t. So final will be 0, u that we need to find minus 10 into 3. So answer will be u is equal to 30 meter second inverse. So this is the initial velocity by which we will throw in upward direction. Now second question, the maximum height it reaches, so we need to find s. So s is equal to ut plus half gt square is equal to u, that is 30 into 3 90 minus, because we are throwing in upward direction, that's why half into 10 into 9, 2 5s are, so 90 minus 45 will be 45. So 45 meter is the maximum height, so that is our second answer, right? And now third, its position after 4 seconds. So 3 second, in 3 second it covers s is equal to 45, right? Now we have to talk about only 1 second, because 1 second means 3 plus 1 will be 4. So what is its position? So now initial will be 0 for the downward direction, right? Final we don't know, we need to find position, right? So t for this traveling it is 1 second, so we can put that again second equation of motion as this is equal to ut plus half gt square. Now it is downward direction, so g is positive, so is equal to 0 plus 5 into 1 square is 1, so here answer will be 5 meter. So here 5 meter it covers in downward direction, right? So if 45 is our height and 5 is lesser than the previous one, now its position from the ground is 40 meter. So 40 meter is the position, current position at 4 second from the bottom, right? So from the bottom 40 meter is the position in 4 second.